Hey guys, I'm Sebastian and today I'm going to teach you how to design a simple circuit on Multisim. Before we start building our circuit, there are some functions we need to be familiar with since the program has many of them and it is easy to get lost at first. Let's get started. The simulation toolbar lets you start, pause, and stop simulations like turning on a circuit and letting sensors analyze different specifications like current and voltage. The Components toolbar allows you to launch the Components browser. Here, all components are grouped. By clicking the drop-down menu, we can choose from a list of group components like sources, basic, diodes, and many more. And these groups are divided into families as well. Basic, for example, has very basic components like resistors and capacitors. Now that we know where things are located, let's close this window so we can start our own design now. The circuit we're going to build today is a simple LED circuit. For the LED, we're going to need a resistor to limit voltage and current flowing through it since we don't want to damage our LED. We will use a power source of 5 volts, a 300 ohm resistor, and an LED of any color you like. We will add a common ground just for good practice, even though the program doesn't really ask you for one. Now we're going to go to the Components toolbar and we will click on Place Source. Double click on DC Power and place it on the design sheet. Do not worry about the values just yet, we will change them later. On the same category, we will find the ground components. Let's pick the ground component as well and let's place it on the design. Typically, a common ground is placed at the bottom of the circuit for simplicity. From the drop-down menu, let's select Basic and then Resistors on the family list. Pick the first one and place it on the design. We will change the value later. LED stands for light emitting diode, so we'll find them where the diodes are at. Click the drop down menu and select diodes. Now on the family list, select LED. And here we can find a couple types of LEDs. We want the basic ones that can only emit one color. We scroll down, we can find them right here. I am going to pick this one and place it on the design. Now let's close this window, and at this time we're going to arrange our circuit so we can wire all components together. Now we will connect our source to one terminal on the resistor like this, by clicking on one terminal on the source and then clicking again on the next terminal. Repeat this process with all the other components. Alright, we're almost done here. All we have to do before testing our circuit is fixing the values of each component. We want the resistor to be a 300 ohm resistor and the source to be a 5 volt. And right now we don't have those values in. So we will right click on each component and we will select the properties option. Here we're only concerned with voltage and resistance, so those are the only values we're going to change. For resistance, we want 300. Then click OK. Now for the source, we'll repeat the same process. For volts, we only want 5 volts. Click OK. And now our circuit is done. Now all we have left to do is just simulate our circuit. We will go to the simulation toolbar and we will press the Run Analysis button to start our circuit. As you can see, our LED turned on, which means that our circuit is working perfectly. As you may notice, more complicated circuits can be definitely built, but this is a basic introduction to what you can do with Multisim. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching. See ya.